Do it again.
Are you okay?
Do it again.
Are you in trouble?
Lauren, go back down.
I don't go here.
You're stupid. You don't know how to open that?
Let go of your curb.
Push her off the curb. Push her off the curb. I am right now.
Wait.
Are you seriously gonna do it? You should just push her.
Go off the curb, Gash.
Is she dead yet? What the hell?
Why are you taking me in here?
That's funny.
Let's wheel her back to your house, Gash. Alright, I'll wheel you back. Hey, dude, Gash.
I don't know.
And then...
You reach it? You were in there and right away.
I'm back over here.